Thank you for coming out. It was a cloudy day and now it has turned into a beautiful day, and what better way than to celebrate at the farmers market. So today we are here at the farmers market to celebrate the national recognition that Lincoln is receiving for the great work being done by so many in our community to help us be healthier. My name is Anna Wishart, and joining me here today is Megan Jackson, and she is the market manager for Fallbrook and for the other farmers markets around the city. And Ingrid Christ, and she's the director of community crops. And you'll be hearing more from them in a few minutes. I have the honor of being appointed by Mayor Beutler to serve as his representative for Let's Move. This important national project was spearheaded by the First Lady Michelle Obama, and it's to bring attention to the devastating effects of childhood obesity. The National League of Cities has partnered with the Let's Move campaign to create Let's Move cities, towns, and counties. When Mayor Beutler signed onto this campaign, Lincoln became one of only 5 Let's Move cities in Nebraska. There are now 7 communities in Nebraska designated. A Let's Move city must address 5 goals designed to improve the health of local residents. Cities can receive bronze, silver, and gold medals as they work towards achieving these goals, these 5 goals. Accomplishing these goals requires partnerships among city agencies, among community partners, and constituents. Fortunately, Lincoln has a long history of using collaborative partnerships to get things done. Because of these local partnerships and the many great efforts that are already happening to improve our health in this city, Lincoln has been awarded medals in each of the 5 goals. Mayor Beutler's support and enthusiasm for the Let's Move City campaign and the summary of Lincoln's health accomplishments was enough to have Lincoln selected for the nation as the community to spotlight in May 2013. The National League of Cities Spotlight article is in your press packet today. I am also very excited to announce, and we just learned this news, that Mayor Beutler has also been invited by the First Lady Michelle Obama to attend a celebration event at the White House on July 10th. And at this event, he is going to be among a select group of mayors that will discuss accomplishments and next steps in the effort to reduce obesity and improve health. So I want to tell you a little bit about our 5 goals and our accomplishments. So our first goal is called Start Early, Start Smart, and it focuses on providing children with a healthier start through good nutrition and physical activity. And this has to do with their early child care and education. And we were awarded actually a bronze medal for establishing an interagency collaboration on early care and education programs. Local programs highlighted under this goal are Teach a Kid to Fish, Little Voices for Healthy Choices in child care centers, and our 54321 GO Community Coalition. And we call it the GO team, and it's being led by the Lincoln-Lancaster County Health Department. So our second goal is called MyPlate, Your Place, and it encourages display of the MyPlate symbol in municipal venues where food is served, and actually right over here is the MyPlate image. You'll see that it is very appropriately displayed here, of course, and we were awarded a bronze medal for this display of the MyPlate symbol throughout the city, including senior centers, fire stations, parks and recreation centers, summer food programs, city department lunchrooms, and much more. So goal 3 is called Smart Servings for Students. And this is dedicated to increasing participation in the school breakfast program and the National School Lunch Program. Lincoln received a bronze medal for the high degree of participation by Lincoln Public Schools in both the National Breakfast and the Lunch programs. And this was for a number of sites and children served by the Summer Food Service Program And we have 33 sites where children receive meals in the summer. And it was also for our emphasis on healthy snacks at community learning centers. So our fourth goal is called the Model Food Service, and this implements healthy food service guidelines in municipal venues that serve food. And a bronze medal was awarded for the provisions of healthier vending choices and for changes made at recreation centers to offer only water, juices, and select energy drinks at recreational centers. So goal 5 is Active Kids at Play, and this is one of my favorites. And we actually received a gold medal for this. And that was achieved because of the accessibility of parks and trails in Lincoln and our emphasis on physical activity by our 5-4-3-2-1 GO program and the community coalition, the GO team that is behind that. And of course also our implementation of the tobacco-free parks policy. So of course I have mentioned a whole bunch of things that we've been doing here, and it's only a portion of what's going on in the community. And our main goal is to improve the health and fight obesity, and we're just doing so many things here. So we're going to have to continue to tell you guys about it. And of course, we're going to continue to add efforts and accomplishments of our partners to the National League of Cities website. So please stay tuned with all of our new goals and all of the things that are happening in Lincoln to make us a healthier city. So now I'm going to introduce Megan. And her name is Megan Jackson, and she is the amazing market manager and a member of our GO team, and she's going to tell us about some of the great offerings here at the Farmers Market. Hi, Megan.
Hi, Anna. So, farmers markets are great places to get the most fresh, local produce, get fruits and vegetables. Many of these vendors also have things like your meat, eggs, cheese, breads, and of course the delicious baked goods and treats. We have locally made and homemade jerky. So, at farmers markets everywhere, you're going to get some of the freshest value and taste around. What's really great about markets like Fallbrook Farmers Market, that's on Thursday evenings, and the Old Cheney Road Farmers Market on Sunday mornings. Also the St. Paul Market on Tuesday afternoons. These markets also accept SNAP EBT cards to be able to use right at the farmers market. So it's a great opportunity, something great to take advantage of. Right now, today we are launching the token program for the SNAP at the farmers market here, and all season long we have a matching incentive program for those SNAP benefits. So
Well, thank you again, Megan, for all the work you do. You're pretty amazing.
Thank you.
So now I'm actually going to introduce Ingrid Christ with Community Crops and all of the incredible things they do around Lincoln.
So Community Crops is a local organization. We're helping families grow food. We do that through a network of community gardens, a growing farmers training program, as well as a youth education program and tons of different workshops and volunteer opportunities that we offer throughout the year. We really think that growing food is one really important part of being healthy. Community gardens have so many benefits. Not only do they provide all kinds of really nutritious food for the families, but they also help the families save some money. They help the families get out and exercising and just outside in nature. Plus, another really important benefit of the community gardens is that getting kids involved in their food somehow really gets them to eat more food. So if you get kids to grow some food, they're a lot more likely to eat it, just like if they help with cooking. So that's another really great benefit of community gardens. And then finally, it's just a really great way for people to relax. It's a chance to be in nature and explore being outside. So it really ties into all of the great things that Lincoln's doing to become a more healthy city. Thanks, Anna.
Thanks again, Ingrid. Ingrid is also, and Community Crops are also a member of our GO team, and we are so excited to have them. So we thought it especially appropriate to hold the press conference here at the Farmers Market because of the work our GO team is doing on the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 GO message out in our community. And you'll be seeing a lot of this logo around. And in fact, you'll be seeing many of the GO team members and our partners featured on Channel 10 Health. So today we are taping a segment featuring our 5 portion of the 5 through 4, 3, 2, 1 GO message. And that's getting 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. And so what a better place to do that than the farmers market. And I also wanted to give just a special shout out to the Lincoln-Lancaster County Health Department for all of their work putting all of this together. It's absolutely incredible the amount of initiative they have to make Lincoln a healthier place for everybody. So I applaud them for all of that work. So thank you again for celebrating with us today, and I look forward to working with all of you in the future. Thanks.